What's going on, everybody? So I'm gonna make this video on for those of you that haven't put in your record. If you want to do it, I mean, if you don't want to do it, that's fine. But I was just gonna show you. So I know I was telling everybody Z3, but I have started in this column to put some more calculations. So you want to start here in column AA. So notice here's row 3, and you see where row 3 intersects with column AA. That's where you want to put your first score, your first record. And see, that's for Tourist Trap Easy. So you can see you're over here in this column, and you can see how this side over here is highlighted. That means that just kind of gives you an idea what row you're on. And so you would put your record for Tourist Trap Easy. So say like it's 20. So you would just type in 20 and then hit the enter key, and it goes to the next cell. And then you're ready for Tourist Trap Hard, say 14. Okay, and then you would just go on all the way down. See, now you're ready for Cherry Blossom Easy. But this is where you start. All right. Now, for entering the scores. So this is on Dave's spreadsheet, Dave X. So I'm going to enter your scores for Alfheim Easy. So you'll just come over here. These two arrows right here. You see the name of the courses are down here. So you just scroll over until you see Alfheim Easy, Alfheim E, and then Alfheim H. That's for the hard course. So you just click on that tab. All right. So you've already got one score in. So you're going to enter in your next round, and so that starts right here. See, this is hole 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way to hole 18, and you're doing the second round. So to enter your score in, that you would enter in. So I've got the scorecard up, so that's 1, and then you hit the tab key, and that takes you to the next cell, and then you would just enter in the rest of them. You just enter in the score, enter in what you got on that hole, and then hit the tab key. So the rest of it, and then you've got it. And then now yours, I've got to fix your formula on your sheet. I didn't fix all of yours, but I got to put $1. You don't have to do this if you're entering it in. So I'll just have to copy that formula down, but it'll be right after I copy it. I forgot to put the $signs on there but I did go back and fix it, and I was fixing them as I went. Oh, wait a minute, let's see. Well, okay. Something that didn't, I guess I grabbed it wrong when I copied it. But no, that part you don't have to do. I'll do all that. And then you can see it's going to match, and it should match the scorecard. If it doesn't match the scorecard, let me know, and it's just that there's an error right there on the formula. And then so, like the next one, so let's see, enter in these. So I would go to Alfheim. There it is, right there. And then I'll enter the scores for this one. Let's see. All right. And then you should make sure it matches. All right. So one thing that I do want to show y'all, when you do enter the scores in, don't just enter the scores in and then close the sheet. And I'll show you. Let me enter. This is my sheet, so let me enter this in. All right. Now, see up here how it says saving and then save to drive right here? Wait till that save to drive goes off, and then you'll know for sure it's saved. And then the other night, we were talking about how these numbers aren't rounding right. Well, it's showing a bunch of decimal places. So if you come up here and you just highlight those and you go to format, number, and then go down here to custom number format, you want to pick this one with the 0.0, and that'll change it and round it to one decimal place so you can see it. For some reason I didn't get all of those. So let's go ahead and enter in this last one for the Alfheim scorecard. Easy. Oh, we got a lot of rounds there. All right, so let's see. We go. All right, and then once again, make sure it matches, and make sure that, and wait till that save to drive goes off, and then you know it's saved, and make sure that the score matches. And that's how you do the scores. Enter the scores in, and where you can enter in your maximums. All right, so I'm going to stop the video and I'm going to enter in the other two scorecards from last night. All right, see y'all tonight.